If you want to change this message to this, watch the video till the end. Hello guys, I'm Gigolina, the creator of this video. First of all, I have to say that this video has nothing to do with the videos in my channel and is only to help people who have problems monetizing their channel. In this video, we talk about what to check and what to do before applying for monetization and membership in YouTube Partner Program. What should we do if our request for monetization is not accepted? And if you're sure that your channel complies with YouTube's rules and you think that your request for monetization was rejected by mistake, how to make a video for a review appeal. Before applying for monetization, identify videos that look similar and delete or private those have the less views. Change the title of videos that have the same title. Delete the description of videos that have the same description. It's better to replace it with a simple description. Change the tags of videos that have the same tags or delete them completely. Enter the editing section of any video in YouTube Studio and change the music of the videos that have the same music. You can even cut parts of the video that you think are too similar to each other. If your channel is not approved for monetization, first of all, don't delete any videos from your channel. Make an appeal video for YouTube team. Don't rush to make an appeal video and think carefully about the logic of the reasons you will explain to YouTube for your appeal. And after making your appeal video, upload it to your channel, unlisted it, and send the video link to the YouTube review team. Be careful that the video must be sent from your account and it must be your last upload on the channel. The appeal video must include the following items. Use your own voice and video. It's better to show yourself when creating a content. Introduce yourself and your channel. Show the user interface of your channel in YouTube Studio and tell why your channel request was rejected. Indicate that you know and accept the rules related to creating content on YouTube. If you want to work on YouTube without any problems, read, understand, and follow the rules completely. It's very important that show the URL of your channel clearly in the first 30 seconds of the video. Describe the content of the channel in general and tell what kind of niche your channel focused on and what is the benefit of your channel for your audience. For example, it entertains them or teach them something. Explain why you think YouTube made the right decision about your channel by comparing a few random videos in terms of title, appearance, and video content. Show the steps you take to create a video. For example, I first choose a topic that I want to work on. For my channel, a new quiz that I want to create. I design questions about that topic, collect the necessary footage to make that video, and with After Effects, I start to making the video. When it's finished, I add sound on it with Adobe Audition. And finally, I sync the sound and the video with Premiere Pro and do the final checks. After uploading the final video, I design a thumbnail for it using Photoshop. Let's take a look at the video that I sent to the YouTube team as an example. Hi YouTube team, I'm Gigolina, the owner of the QUIZMUIZ channel. My channel does not approve for monetization due to repetitive content. My channel name is QUIZMUIZ and here is my URL. I would like to appeal my application for monetization by showing how I create my content and that my videos did not violate the AdSense program policies on repetitive content. I understand that YouTube has guidelines in place to ensure that the content on its platform is safe and appropriate for all audiences. I fully support these guidelines and I want to make it clear that I am committed to create content that meets these standards. My videos may look similar at first glance, But this is not the case because I always try to cover completely different topic and content, including entertaining content, educational content with entertainment, and mental exercise with entertainment that increase the knowledge of my audience along with its fun. And I believe that my content is valuable and that it has place on YouTube. My videos focus on quizzes and challenges, so I first designed the questions related to the quiz that I want to create. These are some examples of questions that I designed for my quiz. Guess the Wednesday series characters by emoji, guess the movie by emoji, and my last video, guess the country by its monument. After designing the questions, I collect the audio and video footage needed to make the quiz. I use Adobe After Effects for video editing. Each of my videos has its own project, and I try to be creative and innovative in each one. And I try to make each of my videos better than the previous one. I have archived all of my projects, and I can send you any of them if you want. After finishing editing, I export it with Adobe Media Encoder and import the obtained video in Adobe Audition. In this part, I put the song I got from the YouTube audio library on the video, record my voice and put it on the video, and make the necessary edits. And finally, export the final sound. I sync the video and audio with Adobe Premiere Pro and do a final review of the resulting video. I do these steps for all my videos. In the past, I used text-to-speech software instead of my own voice, but I didn't do this in my last videos. I spoke on them myself, and I plan to use my own voice on the videos in the future. My videos generally include quizzes and challenges, and as you can see, each of my videos has its own content and format. And if you take a look at the seemingly similar videos, you'll find that they are completely different from each other. For example, the logo guessing video. Both videos pause at minute 3 and question 16, and as you can see, each of them asks a completely different question. I use Adobe Photoshop to create thumbnails for each video, and I have always tried to create the most attractive and relevant thumbnails for my videos. After all this, if some videos need to be removed to monetize my channel, I have no problem with you removing them, or at least showing me the problematic videos so that I can remove them immediately, because at the moment I got completely confused. In conclusion, I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to my appeal. I hope that YouTube will take my request seriously and reconsider its decision. I'm passionate about creating content, and I believe that my channel has a lot to offer. Thank you for your support and for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts with you. I hope you have a nice day. These were all of my experience in making an appeal video for the case of the repetitive content. If you also have experience in solving things that prevent monetization or have any questions in this regard, share your tips and questions in the comments below. Maybe there was someone who knew the solution of your problem and helped you, or you helped and guided someone. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. I hope this video is useful for you and solves your problem. If the problem is solved and your channel is monetized, share it with others in the comments below. so that we can celebrate this success together and be happy for you. It's my honor that you visit other videos on my channel, and if you like this type of video, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. I hope you have a great day.